Check this out. This dual battery charger might be the ultimate hack for keeping your Sony camera powered up all day. Let's unbox this game-changing dual battery charger and see if it's really worth the money. Here's what you get in the package: a compact charging case, 2 third-party NP-F batteries for Sony cameras, and a micro USB charging cable. The case even has a built-in slots for SD cards, a backup dream for creators on the go. Now let's talk features. The charger has dual slots, so you can power up 2 batteries simultaneously. It even doubles as a portable power bank, letting you charge devices using your camera batteries. How cool is that? Setup is really simple. Slide the batteries in, plug it into your power source, and you are good to go. LED indicators keep you updated. Red means charging, green means fully charged. Tested it already and so far no weird compatibility errors. It's working perfectly with my Sony a7 IV. So if you are looking for affordable backup batteries and a versatile charging solution, this setup just saves your shoes. Want to know more about the features or how it holds up after a long-term use? Drop your questions in the comments.